Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to fix stuttering and lags on Spider-Man 2. So guys, what you have to do, the first step you need to do is update your GPU graphic card. If you don't update it guys, make sure you're updated the graphic and click update guys. As you can see here, open your on NVIDIA, click update this graphic, and after that guys, what you have to do, the solution to guys, if you not work, just go to Steam on library, and after that go to the game and click the right corner and click property. After that guys, when you click on property, click on the manage and browse, click this option guys, manage and browse, click install field and click browse here, and after that create a local file and create a folder name, it's anything, and drop this .ddl file. So guys, this is how you can do. Just click browse and start file and click browse this option, and you will solve this problem. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.